Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which I'm so excited for. This look, I just can't with the backdrop. The earrings, I am literally so extra how my little hairpins, hair berets say today. I am loving the whole hair down with a little berets in it. I feel like it looks so cute. Okay, this look, I feel like I did really good. I wanted to do something different for you guys, and I wanted to test out the new Kathleen Lights palette. So this is kind of like a first impressions tutorial, because we are doing this makeup tutorial today using this So Jaded palette from Kathleen Lights in collaboration with Colourpop. Look at this palette. Like, I love everything about this palette. As soon as I saw it, I was like, yes, that needs to be my palette for fall, winter. It's gorgeous. Let me show you the palette because I'm just rambling. Look at those colors. Oh my gosh. This palette is only $39, which I feel is such a steal because you get 30 eyeshadows. This is Colourpop's first huge palette. You guys know all their other palettes don't have 30 eyeshadows, and I saw Kathleen's video and she said she wanted to create something different with Colourpop, something that hadn't been done before, which is why they did this big palette. And I couldn't be happier because I love Colourpop eyeshadows. I have recently become like a huge fan of their eyeshadows. I ordered this palette, and as it was arriving, I placed another order for another palette that came. Like, that's how hooked I am with their shadows. And they literally launch a palette every other week. It's so crazy. Sometimes I'm like, girl, I don't need it. And then I see swatches and I'm like, I need it. I need to buy it. But yeah, I started off with their little monochromatic palettes, which is what I got hooked on. The yellow palette, that's what really made me fall in love with their shadows. The quality, the pigmentation, the blendability, the butteriness of these eyeshadows is amazing. Some have a little bit of fallout, but it's nothing too crazy. And the packaging on this and the packaging on all their stuff is always amazing, in my opinion. The palette has the names in the back, which I personally think that's amazing. And they have like the shape of like crystals. That is so cute. I personally want to get amethyst crystal. I've really been looking into buying one, but I want a really, I want a nice one. I want one that speaks to me. I know, weird, but I really want one. And then I love this up here as well. It has her name. I don't feel like this palette needs a mirror or like it's missing the mirror. If you're someone who likes palettes that have mirror, just letting you know, this one doesn't have it. Personally, for me, I don't feel like it needs it. I don't really use the mirrors in the palette, so for me it's not like a deal breaker. But look at these eyeshadows. Oh my gosh, I cannot even with this. Okay, so for today's look, as you can see, I wanted to do something different. I feel like everyone was doing a lot of the like yellow shades, warm tone shades, and I always always do those kinds of looks. So I wanted to do something different. This blue right here, where is it, right here, was really speaking to me, as well as this turquoise color. Like, those two shades, when I open the palette, they're the ones that catch my attention, because I do love all the other shades, but those two are like, just my eyes were on those today. And I decided to use aquamarine and opal as well. Opal, which is this one right here, right here, is a pressed glitter, as well as this one right here, topaz. Now, those are not meant to use in the immediate eye area, so if you do use them at your own risk. You guys know I always tell you this, just rather be safe than sorry. And yeah, that is what we have in store for today. Let me know what you guys think of this lip combo with this eye makeup. I was going to do like a very like nude, a bare plain nude liquid lipstick, but I wanted to do something different, and I feel like this whole look, the eyes with the lips, is giving me like 80s vibes, and I am all here for it. I'm loving it. I don't know, I really like this lip color. And I actually use another Kathleen Light product, which I ordered with this palette, because I was like, you know what, let me order a liquid lipstick to use with this palette. And I ordered the, what is this, Twinkling Lights Ultra Matte Liquid Lip. And this is in the color Little Star. Now here is a liquid lipstick, which is such a beautiful, beautiful shade. I really like the packaging on her stuff as well. Do you see how it has all those little stars all around, and the cursive on the name that says Twinkling Lights? I absolutely love it. Let me know who still writes in cursive, because I personally cannot write in print for beep. I prefer writing in cursive. I always write in cursive. That's literally, my print is so horrible, like ugly and I hate it, which is why I always write in cursive. Anyways, moving on. This is a liquid lipstick I decided to use. I was honestly, when I was putting it, I was like, oh my gosh, maybe it doesn't go. But again, like I said, I feel like this is a very 80s vibe, the lips with this eye color, and I'm loving it. Let me know if you guys are digging it too. If you do try out this look, you don't like the lip color, you can always change it. I just wanted to do a little something different. I feel like the contrast between the lips and the eyes is like big enough so that the eyes stand out and the lip color still stands out and looks beautiful. I feel like if I would have done the nude, which is the one I recently used, is Creme de la Creme by Half Cake Makeup. I was going to use that one. That was like my favorite go-to, like super nude. I feel like it was going to wash me out since the eyes are so dark and bold. But yeah. Another thing I decided to do was the little crystals, gems that everyone's been doing ever since Euphoria started. I feel like it became a trend after that show. And honestly, no one come for me, but I haven't watched that show. I was more so inspired by the recent videos that I've seen from Kathleen Lights and her makeup looks. She's been doing a lot of little crystals and a lot of other influencers, but I mean, I specifically got inspired from her. Not the placement, just to add them for this specific video because it's her palette. So yeah, let me stop rambling and let's get on to the tutorial. Okay guys, what did you think of the palette? I am so happy I got it, and it's so stunning. I love it. I will definitely be doing more looks. Now that I did this look, I really want to do these two green eyeshadows and do another look like with this glitter right here, this gold one. I feel like they'll pair really nicely, so I'm very excited to continue to use this palette. I feel like it's such a perfect fall winter palette because you have your warms, you have your neutrals, you have your cool tone browns, cool tone neutrals, and you still have like those wine shades, those pops of really fun colors like this one right here, which is called Period. I hope I said it right. And I really like it. This color right here to me is so unique, and I just nicked it. Ugh, I want to punch myself. The color is called Ametrine. It's so beautiful, and it has like flecks of glitter. Do you guys see it? But it's like a matte shade. That one catches my attention so much as well. It's so beautiful. I love it. I love this palette. It's absolutely amazing. This look, I'm so happy with how it turned out, and how everything goes so well. But that is basically it for this makeup tutorial. First impressions. My first impression is blown. My head is blown with this palette. Way out of the park. This palette is amazing. And that's the last time I'm going to say amazing. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this look, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Also, don't forget to turn on the little notification bell so you won't miss any of my future uploads. So yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.